there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a pinned comment on your video in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's go to our TikTok app first. Okay, now let's go to one of my videos. Let's tap on the profile, and these are all the videos I have published until now. Okay, now one thing you need to know is that only one comment can be pinned in one video, and if you wish to pin another comment, then the last one which you had pinned will be unpinned and the pin will be replaced on the comment. Let's do that. Okay, to go to your comment section, just tap on the three dotted icon on the bottom right corner of your phone, and after that, these are all the comments which I had commented from my another account also, and my friend Ozzy had Ozzy 96 had commented on this video. Okay, now I have pinned the first one. You can see the Ozzy 96 awesome song with a smiley. Okay, I have pinned this comment. Now I want to replace it with another comment. Okay, let's do this. Let's pin the second comment over here. Now to do that, tap and hold on the comment which you want to pin. Okay, for me, since we will be replacing our pin, okay, and I will be pinning the second comment which is from another account. Let's go. Let's just tap and hold on the comment, and you can see all these options have appeared. Now let's pin the comment. After, let's tap on the pin comment option, and after that this option will appear which is saying pinning this comment will replace and unpin your previously pinned comment. Okay, and let's do that. Pin and replace. There you see, guys, the old pin comment has been unpinned and the new one has been pinned. Okay, so you see, guys, pinning or replacing a pin in a video on your TikTok is this. And if you have any confusions or comments regarding this topic, don't feel hesitated to comment in the comment section below. Thank you, guys. Peace.